Hello, this is Mr. Hassel again with another music theory lesson. This is lesson 38 of Unit 9. Today we're going to talk about solfege and transposition. Solfege is a system of reading notes by assigning a different syllable to each note. The following syllables are used for all major scales as they relate to the scale degrees: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. Movable do means that the syllables apply to the same scale degrees regardless of what key you are in. For example, in the key of C, the key note C is called do. In the key of F, the key note F is called do. So whatever key you're in, that's where do is. If you're in the key of C, C is do. If you're key of F, F is do. If you're in the key of G, G is do. When a melody is rewritten with the exact same sequence of notes and intervals into another key, it is called transposition. This raises or lowers the notes to make a melody easier to sing or play, or so it can be played by an instrument of another key. The easiest way to transpose is by interval. For example, if a melody is in the key of C and you want to transpose it to the key of D, then you would rewrite all of the notes a second higher. Okay, so here is a melody written in the key of C, and here we've transposed it up a second to the key of D. It's the same pattern of notes, but it has just shifted up a second. So instead of starting on C, we're going to start on D. Number 1, write the syllable names under the notes of the following melody. So we're in the key of C, we're in the bass clef. So this would be do, mi, so, do, ti, la, fa, re, do. Number 8, add solfege syllables, then transpose the following melody up a major second, adding the solfege syllables, and add the new key signature. All right, so let's write out our solfege. There's no sharps or flats, so that means we're in the key of C. So do, la, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Then they want us to transpose it up a major second. So if we're in the key of C, a major second up from C would be D major. So the key signature for D is two sharps, fat cats, F sharp and C sharp. So we're just going to move every note up to the next line or space. Whoops, went the wrong direction. And then our syllables will be the same. I'm just going to abbreviate. Oh, I messed up on that last one. Sorry, that's supposed to be a D. All right, number 3, add solfege syllables, then transpose the following melody down a major second. So we're in the key of C, so this is mi, do, so, re, mi, do. And if we're transposing it down a major second, so if we're in C here and we go down, that's going to take us down to the key of B flat. So B flat and E flat would put us in the key of B. We're going to shift everything down to the next line or space. And again, our syllables will stay the same no matter what key we are in. And there you go. Thank you for watching.